Hello folks, little review here of the Shop Nation 3D printed dust collection. I ended up doing the 3D printing for this. Didn't quite have the exact yellow to match the DeWalt, but hey, I think it looks pretty good. This looks like it's going to function really well. There's no interference. Nice job on the design for Shop Nation. And the 3D STL file worked really well. If you're going to do that, I highly recommend it. That way you can make your own, control how it looks, everything like that. Everything fit fine, fit and finish. On mine were 100%. Didn't have any issues. This is a brand new DeWalt Saw. It was purchased just this year. I added a little cart for it, the DeWalt cart, and it's a nice little setup. I had this inside just because it was cold outside. Didn't want to do the video out there in the install, so we did it in here, and added a CMT blade on this. I'm just showing you that this has got the shadow cast light on the saw. There's the switch for it. When you turn that on and pull that down, you'll see the cut line. The saw was right in square, really didn't touch it at all. Everything was perfectly square, blade, everything lined up 100% right out of the box on this DeWalt saw, as you would expect. Like I said, I got a CMT blade. I picked it up at Menards. This is an 80 tooth, fine cut, cross cut. We're going to be doing some cross cuts here in just a little bit later in the video, because I'm going to demonstrate how this Shop Nation dust collection works. Ended up 3D printing a dust collection for my saws in the garage. I make quite a mess out there sometimes, so I ended up doing a 3D print that attaches to a bucket, and I hooked it up to my DeWalt Shop Vac wet dry, and here you can see I've got it hooked up. I didn't have quite the right fitting on the one end, so I had to use some little tape on that, but we're going to give it a shot here. We got the Shop Nation set up on the DeWalt saw here, and you'll see how it cuts in here and sucks up all the dust as it does it. Don't worry, I wasn't doing this one-handed. I had it clamped, but you can see how it goes up in and takes all that sawdust. I didn't collect all of it, but I collected about 90% of it.